Hi everyone! So I know you're all spending so much time at home right now, and it is a great opportunity to go through our homes and organize everything. I know that's one of the first things I found myself doing while stuck at home. So I just want to share a couple organization tips with you guys today. So I think my first thing is when going through a space to take everything out of that space. So let's say you're going through your dresser, rather than like picking and choosing things that you don't want anymore, just take everything out of the drawer. That way you can actually clean the drawer out or vacuum it out. And then put everything in a pile and actually pick up each individual item and hold it up, touch it, see how you feel about it. If you haven't worn it in a long time, it's probably time to get rid of it. If it's, torn up, threadbare, it's probably time to get rid of it. If you just don't like it anymore, it's probably time to get rid of it as well. After you decide what you want to keep and get rid of, you can fold things back and put them in. And I like to organize my drawers where when I pull open the drawer, I can see everything. So I usually fold clothes like this and then sit them up here. So when I open the drawer, this is what I see. Usually what I do is so just like a pair of jeans, I'll fold them in half and then in thirds. And they usually stand up on their own when you fold them in thirds. So yeah, that's a nice way to see everything. And I do the same for like socks and sweatpants and everything in my dresser. And then if you move on to your closet next, same thing. I like to take everything out of the closet, then you can see how much space you're working with, and pick up each individual item, see if you want to keep it or not. I like to store my hangers on the top shelf of the closet and not all mixed in, because I used to like shift through all the shirts to find one hanger, and now I just have them on top. So I know where to go when I'm doing laundry, and I really like that. For the closet, I organize by category. So I have blouses, sweaters, sweatshirts, skirts and dresses and jackets. And that seems to work well for me. I also wanted to mention, if let's say you're going through a closet and you have bins of random things like office supplies, electronics, art supplies, I made the switch over to using opaque bins instead of clear, just because with the clear plastic bins, I'm not a huge fan of seeing all the cords and the craziness. This is much more easy on my eyes just to see the pretty wood or the basket or whatever. So that might be a good switch. But with things that are pretty, like food is beautiful, right? I like to use clear because I actually want to see what's inside. You can order these on Amazon. These are Weck jars. I really love these. And I think these are just from Target. And this is totally a project you could work on right now, because you can still order things on Amazon, and you could order some jars, even just mason jars, really cheap, and you could organize your pantry. So yeah, hopefully those are some helpful tips. My name is Sarah, and I have a home improvement account here on Instagram. You can find me at Sarah Ellen Randall. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy some extra time in the home. Hopefully you can enjoy it by organizing and getting things a little bit more how you like them in your house. Bye.